Hello my friend, my name is Galit and today we have a small haul. So yeah, I'm starting with 3 oracle cards. And the first one that I'm showing you is the Sacred Traveler Oracle cards by Denise Lean. And I really love these cards. And my husband bought them from AliExpress and I really love using them. The other one is the Soul's Journey lesson cards by James Van Parra, something like that. And yeah, they are very beautiful as well. The next one is the Magical Spell cards by Lucy Cavendish, something like that. And these cards are beautiful. I love the cover of it, or behind the cards. I love the cards themselves. They're just gorgeous. And they all remind me of junk journaling. I don't know why, maybe because of the distressing around them. But yeah, I really love them. And it has a really beautiful and detailed booklet. I usually don't read the booklets because I like to enjoy the cards as they are. But if I'm stuck, I am going to use the booklet. Here I'm showing you a book that I got from where I live. I live in a kibbutz in Israel, and where I live there's an area in the kibbutz where you can put books, clothes, everything that you don't need anymore, and somebody else can take that. So they put out this book, which is Animals in Pictures, and I love this book. The next book I found at the same place is A Songbird by Josephine Cox, and I love this book so much because it is glued, not sewn, into the back and the cover. It does have some damage and it looks a bit run down, but I love the pages. They are very thick and it's not sewn, which I can tear the pages and alter it as I want. So yeah, I have another book, and this is the Israeli Dictionary for Children. And it has many pictures, I think, that represent Israel and other things like food and animals. And there are falafel, of course. And I love the pictures as well here, and this cute little doggy, oh my god. And I love the suitcases, and there are many pictures that I want to use. There are many beautiful pictures and beautiful images of birds and animals, planets, anything. The next one is the Moleskine dotted notebook. It's in the large, that's why it's so thick. And I love that it's soft cover and not hard cover, so I can push the cover down. And this will be in my next series, which I will do a new series, which will be a bullet journal. I really want to get back into bullet journaling and more journaling. And I want to do it the junk journaling style, but in a more aesthetic and chill vibe to it. So I'm starting from February, so you will see this video, I think, in my next video, but I'm not sure. The next item just arrived in the mail. The first thing that I ordered is the double-sided tape. It's a very narrow one, and I like it because I only have a wide one that I always cut, so now I'll have a narrow one. Here I have 2 little Memento inks, which I wanted for a long time, and they are so tiny, so cute, and you can even make them stand, which is so adorable. I'm just taking the packages, which is very exciting because I've been waiting for that. So yeah, the first one is the tuxedo black one. I really love the packaging. And the next one is the espresso truffle. So I really wanted to try this ink, so I couldn't wait for my next project. And I decided to first try the espresso truffle. And I took just a scrap of paper that I have on the table and I tried to ink the edge and smudge it a bit, so I will see how dark it can get and how smudged it can get. And then I took the Memento Tuxedo Black and it is really black. I love that. So the next ones are the labels that arrived finally, and my husband gifted me the vintage labels, the green one, which I already had, but I was really running low on the label, so he got me one of those. And in that package he also gifted me the vintage label with the little mushrooms on it, and the vintage, it's like a coupon cards or tickets. So yeah, I really love them. They are very new, I never seen them before, and the one with the mushroom is amazing, and the one with the tickets and also coupons are very beautiful. Now I'm just showing the vintage label with the mushrooms on it, and they are so beautiful. I want to use them in my bullet journal. Yeah, I'm just showcasing all the different types of label, and they are gorgeous. I always say, oh my god, I love that one. Oh my god, I love that one. They're all beautiful. So yeah, I'm just enjoying looking at them and organizing them. Next one is the vintage coupon and tickets. So yeah, here as well, they are very beautiful. I love the one with the numbers most, and the one with the script on it, but they are all very beautiful. And again, every time I look at them, oh my god, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. This one is so cute. And yeah, these colorful numbers are beautiful. It really reminds me of the black numbers that I printed from Pinterest in the last video or the one before that. It really reminds me of that. So yeah, I'm just enjoying looking at all the tickets. And yeah, then I noticed the numbers and it's exactly the same. Yeah, I think it's exactly the same as the one on Pinterest. I think they took it from these kind of labels, but they are very beautiful. So yeah, I love them all so much, but the numbers and the script I love more. So yeah, that was my small haul. I don't have much. Most of them are from AliExpress, and I don't mind because we don't have much money, so if I can pay less, I'm more than willing to do that. I love the little labels and the notebooks and these gorgeous small inks of Memento ink, and everything here is very special to me, and I can't wait to use them all, and I can't wait to use my Mementos ink more, and the labels of course, and all the beautiful images from all the books. Yeah, I can't wait to alter that book as well, to make it my own. This is a small haul, but these are the things that I bought, been gifted and found in a local kibbutz. And yeah, I really love all the items and I can't wait to use them all. I hope you enjoyed this short video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!